In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a Zoho Mail backup, a full guide for 2025. Having a backup of your email is crucial to ensure that your important communications and data are safely stored and can be easily retrieved if needed. Whether you're looking to create extra copies of your emails for security purposes or need to transfer emails across accounts or devices, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin, you need to access your Zoho Mail account. Start by navigating to the Streams section of Zoho Mail. Streams provide you with a streamlined view of your communications and tasks, making it easier to manage your email interactions. Once there, locate and click on your inbox. This step is essential because you want to select the specific emails or folders you aim to back up. Next, proceed to the Settings menu, which you'll find within the Zoho Mail interface. The Settings menu is the control center for all personalized and account-wide adjustments, including how your emails are handled and archived. Within Settings, look for the Import/Export Emails option and click on it. This subsection is specifically designed to handle tasks related to importing new emails or exporting existing ones, and it's the key to backing up your emails. Once you are in the Import/Export Emails section, your next task is to click on Export as EML. The EML format is a standard email format by many email applications, ensuring your emails are saved in a universally readable format. After selecting this option, you will need to choose which folder you would like to back up. Click on Select Folder, and for this demonstration, we will choose the inbox, although you can opt for any other folder depending on your needs. Selecting the inbox ensures you're grabbing every key conversation without having to individually select emails. After selecting your desired folder, you'll need to specify the time range for the emails you want to be included in this backup. Click on Export Date, and often people select last month as the range, yet you can adjust this range according to your preference, whether it's a few days or several months. It's a good practice to regularly update and back up your emails to ensure that the most crucial and current emails are never lost. Before finalizing the export, ensure you check the option Include Subfolders. This is important if you have organized your emails into subfolders because it guarantees that those emails are also part of the backup. Then click on Export Archive to initiate the export process. Concluding the process, click once more on Export as EML to confirm your selected parameters and complete the backup. By following these detailed steps, you'll have a comprehensive Zoho Mail backup saved in a secure, transportable format that can be easily accessed whenever you need it.